Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to build a automatic plant watering system without Arduino. For this project we need 3.7 volts battery and 5 volts relay. It is soil moisture sensor. And a transistor, a water pump with pipe, and 1 kilo ohm resistor and diode. Now let's connect the soil moisture sensor. Connect the sensor VCC to the battery positive and connect the ground to battery negative. NPN transistor, it have emitter, base and collector. Now the emitter connect to the soil sensor ground terminal and this resistor connect to the digital output pin and leave the analog output pin. And take a wire and connect both common and coil 1 terminals. Now take another wire and connect to coil 2. This wire connect to the transistor collector terminal and the resistor connect to the base. Now connect this wire to the VCC and take a diode. Connect both coil terminals. The diode cathode terminal must connect to the positive side only. Now connect this pump. This is normally open terminal. Connect pump positive terminal to NO coil and pump negative terminal connect to the ground terminal. Now I am sticking these components on the board. I am taking a switch. This switch is optional. I am removing the wires and connect the switch. It has controllable potentiometer to adjust the water sensitivity. It can automatically detect dry soil and turn on the water pump, and when the soil becomes wet, the pump will automatically turn off. Now turning on. We can adjust the sensor sensitivity using the small potentiometer and set this to moisture level where you want to pump is start. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more projects.